morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Krista and I are headed off to the Greater Columbus International Auto Show. We're going to go take a look at some of the cars and stuff they have there and shoot some video.
See if I can find my dream car.
That's right. That's right. See if I can find her dream car.
No, I, not you. There's no I in you, honey.
Anyway, stay tuned. We'll be back when we get there. This is a Rebel SST. Not the same Rebel that I had, but not too bad. What do you think?
Sharp.
Of course, there's no motor in this one. That's going to be my next car.
Oh, God.
1966 Volkswagen. Uh-huh.
That's where you can stand up?
I guess.
You have that one little section where you can stand up?
Uh-huh. This is for Gear Runner. This will be his next car.
So that'll fold down into a bed, I assume?
I guess, yeah. Camaro SS. Very nice. All right, we finally made it. This is the Touring.
Oh, it's slow? Close enough.
There's my car right there.
Your car.
That's the one I had. Yeah. And here's a Type R. Pretty cool. Blue is better.
Is this Rally red?
Probably, I don't know.
It does look pretty sharp and red.
Yeah, it does, with the black accenting and stuff on it.
Yep. But
what are they going for
sorry,
now?
I'm still all about the championship.
$34,990 now.
I'm still about the championship.
Just a regular Civic. The ivory interior, this is what I had in my Sport. This is lovely green SI. Trunk space, Krista's next car.
No.
No?
No.
You don't think so?
Absolutely.
This one comes without a shift knob. Of course, they've removed it so people don't. All right, let's continue on. Walk around the edges and down the middle, I guess. It's a HRV. It is?
It's a two-door.
The HRV.
Oh, no, it is a three-door.
Yeah. Krista thinks it's a two-door SUV. How about that? Ooh, here's the Ridgeline.
These have come a long way.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. Look at that. I don't think I've seen it this exact way before. Wow. Check this out. Not too bad. See the dash there a little bit. Nice big screen in there. Go for $44,195. This one has the roof rails for an extra $5 Hondo. This is the black edition.
It's got a spare?
Krista just found out it has a spare. Look at the size of that. Wow. For storage?
I'm
amazing.
Really quite surprised.
Might be one of these in your future, Krista. I don't know. The Nissan Titan Master with the giant chrome grille.
Master.
Titan V8. Not a bad looking truck, really. Huge inside, of course. Let's check out the back. Probably not as much room as the Tundra has in it, but pretty good size. This is the Frontier. They seem to have shrunk this a little bit. What do these go for? $33,400. Actually, doesn't look too bad. Looks better than the Frontier I had several years ago. More towards the Tacoma size now. Little screen in there. Look at the little screen over there. Probably about as much room inside as the Tacoma had. Not too bad. Much better. Volkswagen GTI. Krista has found her way to it.
This is my next car.
You like this one, do you?
The GTI. Absolutely.
Yeah?
I've always loved these. These are a blast.
Yeah? Too bad you don't drive a stick.
This is a stick, honey.
Oh, is it automatic?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I guess you could then, eh? No room back here. Would be a fun little car to drive. I'm sure it's quite zippy. Not too bad, huh? It's got the side and leg squeezers, as Josie calls them.
Nice deep.
And they have a Golf SE over here. Automatic as well. I'm good. How are you? Yeah, it makes it easy.
Gotta try not to lose it.
And what's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. This is Rachel.
Hi.
You'll be on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Krista checking out the Porsches.
Hi.
Panamera Turbo. I drove one of these as a loaner.
Oh, that's right. It's a
Yeah.
four-door.
Yeah. It's the Porsche family car.
Yeah, it's a 5-seater.
718 Cayman S.
Oh.
Now this is much better.
Remind you of anything?
And even Porsches go into the more cement type colors.
Remind you of anything?
350 horsepower.
Mm.
What?
Remind you of anything?
It does.
Mm.
Here's your Jaguars.
Oh.
Check out that emblem. That's pretty cool.
No, I like the actual people.
Yeah. Okay, we need to go down the center here. Krista's off in SUV land. Oh, we got to check out the Audis. Audi.
You said it right.
The Audi.
It's an Audi.
The Audi. Yes, I've been severely corrected on the channel. A5.
This is an A5
This must be the 4. Audi interior has the Mercedes type screen there.
And that's, so I'm trying to record
What?
yours.
This is it right here.
This is an A5.
It's an A5 Sportback.
Oh, I see. Well,
And then come
better have
Saturday night,
that.
put them all together and come back on the wall. But since we're moving in Sunday, then I would have them
Oh, Alfa Romeo. Hello. Here it is.
What?
The Julia.
This is the Giulia?
This is the Julia.
It is the Giulia. Well, doesn't do much for me, but that's okay. Whatever you like. Stelvio TI. I don't know what that is, but looks like an SUV to me. Nice black roof, that's kind of cool. Take a look on the inside. Nice tan leather seating. Pretty sharp in here. I do like it. A little embossed logo on the seat. Very nice. Here's an Acura race car. This is more Gatto style.
Team Penske.
This is more my style. This has got to be the NSX, right?
This is your style?
These cars, yeah. Look at that wing.
Really?
That's a wang. Wow. Huge. Here's where they keep all the high-end cars.
It's an old man's car right here.
You can't actually go in and see them.
No, it's just
You have a Ferrari, Rolls Royce over there in black. We have an officer protecting them. We have a Lamborghini Aventador. I've seen those before.
Yeah, we saw those at the car show, didn't we?
I thought we left and went to Jamaica. There's a Lotus. Pretty cool. We have a Porsche in here. Lots of high-end stuff in there. So high-end that we're gated off and can't go in and see them. Also got some ATVs and stuff here. Wow.
Your outdoor enjoyment. They got more over towards them too.
There's the slingshot.
Is that treated as a motorcycle? Or
It is. They consider it a motorcycle.
do they really?
Yeah. You have to have a motorcycle's license to ride that. Okay. Kind of have a special modified section here. I don't know. Check out this Jeep. Wow.
Not quite what I'm looking for.
Now, anybody that wants a big giant truck, this is the rolling big powder. Look at this thing. Good God. Platinum Super Duty. Somebody's car. Truck. Look at that thing. That's my hand. Wow. I want to know where the ladder is to get in this thing. There's a light bar for you.
Holy crap. You need a step ladder to get into
That's
this
what I
thing.
just said. Where's the ladder to get in that?
They do have a rail, a side rail on the driver's side, but good grief, you'd still need a step stool to get up to that.
Wow.
This is the RF.
Okay, for you camper guys.
It's not bad.
Got some campers here. Take a little look inside. There's your sleeper.
Wow, you actually have just
There's your shower.
partial dry bathroom.
Dining area. To your small campers, I guess. Oh my goodness, I barely fit through the door in this one. Wow. Dining area, sink, bed. I guess you could sleep there. Little skylight. Is there a bathroom in here? Closet.
It's a wet bath.
There's the bathroom.
That's the wet bath.
You do it all in there. Oops.
You do it.
Hit my camera.
You do it all in there. That's awesome.
That's right. Look at this, man.
I have to check out that van before we go, but I want to check out these little ones.
Yeah, here you go.
These are just sleepers, but it has a TV in there.
There's a sleeper. There's a TV, stereo. No bathroom, no kitchen, of course. So you just kind of crawl in here like so and do a little sleeping. There's a fire alarm in there. I think if it gets to the point that that goes off, you're probably already in trouble. Oh, wait a minute. There's a chuck wagon back here. There you go.
They have the microwave?
There's your kitchen. Is this your bathroom here?
That's your
That's your refrigerator.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check out this van. This is the Airstream Giganto van. A motorhome, I guess. A small motorhome. A little storage up top. A nice little driver's area there. TV. And there's your sleeping area. Another TV. Lots of TVs. This must be your shower.
Here's your fridge.
There's your shower and commode.
It's a wet bath.
Boy, that would be cramped.
Here's your fridge.
There's a fridge.
Freezer down below?
Yeah.
I think.
Okay.
Where's the bedroom?
Behind me.
Oh. Let's turn around. I want to check
Let me get out of this. I'm feeling constricted, confined. Okay. Let's take a look on the back of this. It does have that big sliding door. It opens in the back apparently, so you can have a screened-in effect.
This is a Mercedes.
Ah.
Not too bad for it, man.
Okay, we have one more for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the massive.
This is the pull behind.
It is Mercedes.
Much more roomy on the inside here. Here's your eating area, seating area, kitchen and sink.
Move your lights around.
Refrigerator. Let's see, here's your shower, separate from the commode. How about that? Sleeping area, twin beds. This must be your bathroom. There you go. Howdy. There's your bathroom. Pretty slick.
Bye, honey.
Krista's shutting me out. This is the Bullet Mustang. Pretty cool.
I'll take one.
It's a prototype.
Well,
No bullet
then
for you.
they'll have to build me one then.
Krista in a Mustang. What do you think? You like it?
Pretty fine.
You like it?
I do.
Not too bad?
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
This is the GT Coupe Premium for $44,280. Let's go over and take a look at this Focus RS. Thought about getting one of these myself. All I was able to do was sit in one at the dealership. They wouldn't let me drive it. So let's get in here again. Check out all this gauge work in here.
This is the one you like, right?
It's one that I looked at, but it's very confining. The bolstering in here is
Well,
very, very stiff. But still, might be kind of fun to drive around. I don't know.
this is
Not too bad. 42.6 Ford Focus RS.
wow, for this?
Yeah. See if Krista can get in and out of this car. I bet she doesn't even get in it.
Looks like it has panoramic sunroof, but it's...
It's an old Dodge, kind of out of place here. This is Justin's next car. Wow.
Yeah.
Needs a little bit of work. We have a giant Ram 2500 beside it.
Doors are locked.
It's the first Type R that I saw in person. It was actually at a gun show, and they had this car there. That's pretty wild. This, like I said, this is the first one I ever saw in person. A little nostalgia there. We've made it to Toyota land here. There's a Tundra, another Tundra, another Tundra.
Tundra 4x4 double cab.
Looks familiar in here.
SR5.
This is the SR5 version. Here is a Sport. Hi.
Guys need help finding anything?
No, we're okay. Love the color on this one.
Check out this color.
Yep, just a second. It says cloth seats. Pretty much, pretty similar to the Crew Max that I have. It does have the scoop on the hood. And this
1794.
is the 1794.
Check out the color on this one.
There I am. Yeah, I saw one of these when I picked mine up.
Did you?
Got the wood steering wheel. Cloth and suede or Alcantara, I'm not sure. Little inserts in the doors there. Not too bad.
I'd take a truck in this color. This is actually a really cool color.
Here is the TRD Off-Road Limited. This is what we have. In white, of course. Very nice. Nice cream interior. This is a TRD Sport. We have the Tacomas. The minivan action. This is the off-road 4x4 double cab. Doesn't come with the motorcycle, I suppose. What do you think of this Tacoma?
I don't know. I'm not big on the Tacomas myself.
Here's another one in the sand color.
They're nice enough.
Pretty nice. This is the Sport. I do like them, just a tad too small for me. This is the Colorado Z71. Again, love the color, the blue, of course.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.
This is a GoPro.
Oh, pretty cool.
What is your name?
Erica.
Erica.
Yes.
This is Erica, everybody. You're going to be on YouTube. So I have a channel like everybody else.
Nope, yes, everybody does have. Like, do you know, when you're in a public place, people should not mind about that.
That's
no
right.
problem.
This is another Colorado. ZRT Cruise short box. And it's got the sport bar on the back, similar to what I had on the Rebel. Non-functional, but pretty cool looking, I think. This is the 2018 Silverado 1500. Not a bad color. I'm a blue fan, so not too bad. Still has the square wheel arches. Not a big fan of that. Kind of similar to the Tundra inside. Has that little shelf area in the center console. A little more straight up and down in the seats, it looks like. And of course it doesn't have the window that goes all the way down, you know. But not too bad. This is the new Mazda Miata hardtop, I guess, right?
Yeah.
A different shape for the Miata, huh?
Wow.
As compared to the soft top, which is
That
over
looks
here.
pretty cool.
Actually, that may be a hard top as well. I think they're both hard tops. And over here is their brother, the Fiat Spider. I actually like the style of this one better, the lines. I think it just looks more sporty myself. Alright, this is a Ford Rabbit from Rabbit Customs. I do like this. Sport bar treatment on the back. Pretty slick. Wow. Nice graphic work on the sides. Bumpers. A tire holder in the back. It's pretty cool. Oh, check that out.
Wow.
I like it. That's how you lower a truck.
That's what you want.
Yeah.
You want an auto up and down.
Got some Rams over here. I do like this color. Wow. Simpler one down there. Very nice, huh?
Mighty fine.
Lastly, we have Krista's Jeep area here.
This isn't what I want.
You don't like this one, so you don't want the Unlimited, the 4-door.
2-door.
How about the Renegade? Do you like the Renegade?
No.
No Renegade. All right. How about the Compass?
I want a 2-door.
No Compass? There's your Sahara right there.
2-door soft
There's
top.
your Sahara.
Hello.
There's the Grand Cherokee. And some more Ram trucks. The Ram truck. Ram experience going on over here. Little course they have set up to take the trucks through, I guess to show how stable they are. Pretty severe rock area here. There, we have one coming. Has the Ram box on the back. There you go. They made it through the in-house course here. Pretty cool little display. Krista's next car, 66 Corvette.
I'd take it.
If you watch Josie's channel, she drove one of these a couple days ago. 66 Corvette Stingray.
Gorgeous car.
Wow, check that out.
Gorgeous.
Some older trucks, an older Chevy. Another Chevy.
Take a look.
It's got the side pipes on it.
Yep. Nice.
That's what my mother wants on hers.
Oh man.
Side pipes.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
50 Buick.
That's a low to the ground.
Yeah.
Really low to the ground.
Yeah. It's a Ram 3500 heavy duty with a Cummins turbo dually. Now this is a man's truck. The size of this thing, humongous. And this is a Ram Rebel. Looks familiar. Cool truck, of course. Very nice. All right, well, we have left the car show. It's been a little while. Wanted to do the end of the video, I guess.
The follow-up.
The follow-up.
Yes.
After a little time had passed, because
Gotta let it sink in.
wanted to see what we really remembered from the experience. So we've left. We looked at lots of cars.
We have left.
We have left the building. We've left the building.
We're not in the car right now. We're still at the show.
We're in the car. We're in the truck. We're in the Tundra. That's what we're driving. So anyway, Krista, what stuck out in your mind? What vehicles did you see, or which vehicles did you see that you liked at the car show?
Oh.
What comes to mind right off? There
Right
must have
off the
been
bat, the
something.
GTI.
The GTI.
Yes.
And why? It's
I
so
have
small.
always loved the GTI. I've test drove one, God, how long has it been? 5, 6 years ago? 4 years? Somewhere in there?
It's been a while.
And poor Rob, he was sitting in the passenger seat with me, and I decided to get on the exit, or on the entrance ramp onto the freeway, and I floored it up to 100, and he was just sitting there like that. It was funny. But man, those cars are awesome. They're fast. I've always liked them. The interior is good. They look cool, and I prefer the 4-door to the 2-door, to be honest. I think the 4-door looks better, and that's what I saw at the car show, and I'm like, there's my car. I've been wanting one of those for years.
The problem with the GTI that I've found is every time you go to a car lot and you try to see them, they don't have any. I mean, how many times have we gone to the Volkswagen over there at the exotic dealer lot?
Yeah, but
and they don't have any.
Well, the times that you and I have gone lately, we haven't gone there specifically to look for those. We don't look in the
Oh, I've looked.
Volvo, Volkswagen.
I've gone down the rows over there, and they don't have any. I don't know what it is, or if they do, they have like 2 or 3 in their black or white.
And 2-door, probably.
2-door. So I don't know. Anyway, what was your next favorite vehicle?
Next favorite.
Was there anything else that popped out for you at the car show?
Oh, I sat in a few.
I know. What about the Giulia? You sat in the Giulia.
Oh God. Yeah,
everybody
that's my
was
car
suggesting,
too.
you know, oh, you should get the Giulia.
You know what? Yes, I should. Yes, I should. I like that car too. I'm torn. I'm in love with the GTI, and I am in love with the Giulia.
I was underimpressed.
That is beautiful. It is a gorgeous car. I think it's gorgeous.
I was underimpressed.
Good. That means it's not yours. It's mine.
The Giulia is not what I thought it was. At least the version that they had at the car show. So it didn't do much for me.
Well, that's you. But you have eclectic taste sometimes.
Apparently.
Yes.
My favorites were, as soon as you walked in through the doors, right in front of you, almost,
the Honda manual hatchback
was the Honda Civic Type R in red.
Oh, for heaven! You already have one.
And I already have one.
In the color that you want.
Now, right next to it was the Sport hatch in the gunmetal metallic.
Which is what you had before.
The gray one, which is what I had before.
I must admit, that one looks pretty tight, especially with the wheels.
Yeah, those two popped right out as soon as I walked in the door.
They did.
I mean, they were eye-catching.
They were,
to say the least.
Yeah. Red's cool. I'll still go for championship white. I'm sorry.
After that,
red would be third on my list.
I'm not sure. There was a Sport Tundra that in a blue that was pretty nice. I really do like that version.
Ooh. There was that 1794 Limited.
Yeah.
In that brown.
In brown.
Oh
yeah.
my God, that was gorgeous. Brown. Who would have thought? But that just looked, to me, that looked gorgeous.
It was okay. I mean, it's brown.
Yeah, but
brown.
it was the metallic.
I know, but it's brown.
Brown?
You know what I was
brown. Maybe that's why you don't ever just see it brown.
What I was surprised
brown.
is that they didn't have a cement Tundra sitting there. I was kind of surprised at that. Or I don't believe they had a sand, did they? In the Tundra? They did in the Tacoma.
They did in the Taco. I didn't see one in the Tacoma, no.
I didn't either. That was kind of surprising to me. Besides those, I mean, there's the typical, supercars, the Ferrari, the Lamborghini Aventador that was there.
Well, that you couldn't touch.
That you couldn't
or get
touch.
Anywhere near.
Yeah.
You couldn't sit
Matter of fact, there was even a cop sitting, if you saw in the video, in the middle of the display, just to make sure that you didn't, hop that little barrier they had.
Sure, he was happy with his job.
And get close. He's getting paid pretty good to sit there and stare at supercars.
Yeah, but I'd be sleeping in an hour.
Yeah. Besides that, there were some interesting campers there.
Yeah,
that was kind of cool.
That is cool
to walk through
I like
and see.
Those
I mean,
things.
We didn't really go there for the campers.
No, didn't even think campers would be there. Actually,
no.
But
besides that, I mean, there was a.
There was a Camaro.
There were some Camaros.
There was the Charger and the Challenger. I sat in those, and those are pretty slick. The only trouble with those none of them come with a sunroof. And I need a sunroof. That's a requirement for me. So that's a drag because those cars they look awesome, but there's no sunroof. That's a deal breaker.
Yeah,
for me anyway.
They were nice. I mean, I like the Charger and the Challenger, but
they're slick.
I don't know if I'd have one. I mean, they've got that long front end. The Charger does.
Yeah, but
the Challenger. I think I actually like the Challenger better. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm torn. I don't know.
Then the Charger they had there had the shaker hood on it, or the shaker scoop. So that was kind of cool. But all in all, I don't know that I really saw anything when we walked in there that I'd say, maybe just one, that I'd say, I got to have that car. But it's funny because the only one that even felt that way a little bit.
Me.
You're a car? What are you talking about?
You're talking about a person. Never mind.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm the one who felt I saw two cars. It was like, oh my God, I have to have that.
Well, the one that I would like to have again is the gunmetal sport manual. That was probably, I mean, other than that red R, I really like that red R, but I have the R, so.
Really?
Was that sport manual. I really like that car. But your two, what were your two?
Oh, the GTI and the Julia.
Oh, okay. All right. So I guess that's a good thing. Didn't walk away from the car show going, well, now I got to go to a dealer and I gotta have that car.
Oh my God! If I had the option, I would have. In a minute.
Well.
GTI first, Julia second.
I see.
I can only get one, so
So anyway, that was our. We have a semi up here who's decided to take up the whole road.
Both lanes, yes.
I guess he has to turn,
he has
so
a big load.
That's okay.
Oversized. Now they did have some Jeep Wranglers there.
I didn't.
Sierras,
they
but
had
they're
the unlimited.
4-door. Yeah, and unlimited,
the
4 doors, and I'm like, they had no 2 doors. It's like, really?
Yeah, it was odd. They didn't have any 2-door Jeeps. What car show doesn't have any 2-door Jeeps?
Yeah, they had
I was
none.
kind of hoping to see the new Jeep.
Yeah.
But they They didn't have any.
No,
so
I was kind of surprised.
It's kind of odd. I don't know.
Kind of depressed. I was excited to see the Jeep. They're there, but not the model I'm looking for.
Not that one, no. They did have a Ram Rebel there too, the white one. I'm not a big white fan, so.
You know what? That white with the black, that two-tone, actually the white the white and the black looks good together, I think.
It looks good, but it just didn't do much for me. I think I like the red and black that I had before better.
I don't know.
So. All right. Well, anyway, we just wanted to get on here and end this day at the car show with a little recap, I guess, or
our final thoughts.
Our final thoughts on our day at the Columbus Auto Show.
I know we haven't been in years, so it was kind of fun.
As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up.
Can you tell he's turning a corner real fast?
Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time
on the web.
Have a good day.
Bye.